take 2 minutes, if not sooner, maybe slower. What's about to be a time visit? The initiative of ITAT by installer the camera to operational machine. Electro Baba security. The camera it aims to monitor your aims to record your data. It's actually your camera, you monitor a team, computer says 24 hours control. So day in, day out, day and night. This piece of Sabbath was two. Once more, we would see Father like camera and remember to read this deed, black dignity. What's it to put up the vessel? CWP again, in our resources are enough to ensure Uguti in the entire life receives opportunities. What's about the life? Giga Chan diverge Uguti, Amatubanja now, that CWP has created for entire life. All three of them program, but was being sector and affairs. What is CWP now was one Lord. I died. So they don't go together, so we under sports. See, I was sport report late. Sport was wow,
niyakwazi ukufinyelela lapho uma ingekho inani because asifani nabasemba kunendawo lapha abathenga ngekhona moto mhlambe leso simo esikanjalo endaweni esikenasingabi nazo izinamba zezindlu ama-house now like into kanje
wazi ukuthi ilocation yakho point la ukho asike now asike lapho asike numerical scale siyanqo on the basis of location yakho ukho because masifani kwethu angimagine vele i-techno service iwugesi so idonsa direct kulo 24-hour control room esikhuluma ngayo. Imoto siyayishiya sinethuthuthi, imoto siyayishiya uma ukuthi isimo siqala sine-K9 sine-dominance sinethuthuthi so noma ngapha umfana noma ethathile into zakho wambaleka wangenaphi definitely sokulapha because we've got all modes of transport money, the investment, believing in human value.